Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching for the first time or you've been watching, I want to say thank you so much for always coming back to my channel to watch my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please click the red subscribe icon below and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so whenever I post a new video you get a notification and you watch my videos on time. In today's video, I'll be taking you to a resting park around the Ministry of Higher Education in Yaounde. I visited the ministry. I have a video on my channel about the ministry that I visited, and so I had to look for a place to rest and I found this park. So I decided to film what I was seeing in the park. And yeah guys, I'll leave the name of the park here because for now that I'm doing this voiceover, I don't remember the name, and even if I remember the name, I will not be able to pronounce the name. It might be in French, and I'm not really good in French language. So, yeah, this is the park. This is all about it. If you find yourself somewhere around the ministry and you need a place to relax, just go to the park. It's just really close by, and you will love it in there. So, guys, enjoy the view with me. Guys, to get into this park, you have to pay 200 francs from the gate, and if you are to make videos or pictures, you have to pay 2,000 francs. So when I was getting into this gate, I cannot pay that money. Now, in my mind, I was thinking that this money that I'm paying to film, somebody will be working with me like a tour guide to explain things to me and to make sure that I am not stepping my boundaries, something like that. To my greatest surprise, there was nobody. I was just going all by myself and exploring places. And since I didn't understand anything, I was just filming what I see. Now, what bothers me is these people are asking for 2,000 francs to film or take pictures. What if I enter and tell them that I'm not taking any pictures and I get in here and start making videos or pictures? How would they know? And when these thoughts started passing through my mind, I was, oh my God, I was so upset with myself. Like, why would I on earth pay that money? Because they weren't there to see me. So why should I? 2K is big money now. 2K is big money. Why should I give them my 2K like that? When there was nobody to even show me around or explain the meaning of some of the things I saw in the park. But anyway, guys, It was great. Actually, I had a good experience in the place, all in all, and yeah, I enjoyed it. So, guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please, I'm begging you for my heart. Please, please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, like, and comment.